Welcome to the channel, everyone. It's your girl Twin D, and we are out of the garden, out of the sun, and we are back in the office today. And as you can see here, I've already gotten things started. Today, I'll be making your moisturizing hair spritz so that we can get that moisture and also that healthy hydration back in our hair for the summer months and all the way through the winter, because this is going to be for every and any hair type. In here we have your e-wax, your jojoba oil, your avocado oil, and of course your shea butter. And in your Pyrex this right here, we have your glycerin and of course water, which is what's gonna give us that hydration that we are looking for. Avocado oil, guys, I chose to use avocado oil because it helps your scalp to stay hydrated. It reduces dandruff, it prevents breakage, and it helps in detangling your hair. And that's the reason why I use avocado oil in this mixture. For jojoba oil, it is rich in vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin E, and minerals such as copper and zinc, which together helps to strengthen hair and also helps the hair also helps with hair loss and promotes fitness. Now, our main ingredient, one of our main ingredient, and this is the base of everything here, the shea butter, which moisturizes and softens the hair, and it also contains vitamin A and E, which is with essential acids to add moisture and shine. That's where we're going to get that moisture and that shine after we use this product. So right here, we're just blending everything together. And because oil and water doesn't mix, that's why we need the e-wax to make sure that everything is blended together. You're still going to have to give it a little shake because it may settle just a little bit, but we use the e-wax. But it's not only just to blend the water and oils together. It also helps the product to not leave any greasy film on the air after you use this product. So now that we have everything mixed together, we're going to add our vitamin E oil. And of course, we're also going to add our preservative. And always remember, guys, whenever you're doing any formulation with water, you do need preservative to prevent that growth of bacteria and mildew and whatever it is, mold. That's what it's for, because water is a breeding place for all those things. I love using glycerin in this formulation because the glycerin helps to retain that moisture that we're going to put onto the hair. All right, so now I'm just weighing out the amount that I'm going to be putting in each bottle. And here we have it, guys, your moisturizing hair spritz. This formulation, guys, it's perfect for any hair type, and I think it will look beautiful on curly hair because when it holds that curl, you will see the beauty and the shine and the moisture on the curls. You're gonna see it shortly in another clip coming up, but we're just adding our labels here so that your hair spritz is ready for you when you purchase. Yeah, it was hard to take that label, to separate that label from the backing. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you again how we make your hydrating hair spritz so that you know how your products are made. Here you have it, guys, the moisturizing hair spritz. And here, guys, I decided to do a little video to show you how I use it and to show you what it does to the hair. This that you're seeing right now, This is the day after. So I used whatever was left in that Pyrex dish. I used it on my hair, and I went outside. I came in. I didn't touch the hair. And I also went to sleep and woke up without my hair being covered. And you still saw some shine on that hair, and it still looked moisturized. Sorry that I didn't get a good angle on the camera, but my bathroom is so small, guys. I had nowhere to put that camera. So like I said, you give it a little shape before you apply it. But it, guys, it made so much less effort to comb my hair out, because right now my hair, the root is natural and the ends are relaxed. And this is great when I'm testing your products too, because then I get to see how the product react to both natural hair and relaxed hair. That's why I'm saying to you guys, this product is for use on any hair type, whether you're naturally straight, relaxed hair, or naturally curly, whether that's African American or whatever kind of hair, whatever, curly hair. As long as it curls, I don't know all the different hair types that we have nowadays. It's just curly and straight for me. So anyway, guys, as you can see, that hair is so shiny and it is not wet. It is not wet unless you spray enough to make it wet, but that does not take away from anything. But you can see the shine on the hair, and this is caused by that shea butter. It's caused by that shea butter and that avocado oil. And it was so easy to comb out because the shea butter moisturizes and softens the hair. Even after you finish combing your hair, you'll be able to run your finger through the hair because of how the combination of these oils and butters nourishes the hair. It also helps with detangling a lot. And that's the part that I was scared of, because I don't like combing my hair, because when it's natural like it is right now, the roots, oh my god, it's so hard to comb up, because my curls, they're so they're so tiny. My curls are so tiny. So when my hair is natural, it's hard to comb out, and I had little to no effort in combing out the root. And as you can see, I got the ends as well. Now to lock in that moisture on my ends, I usually just twist it and just tuck it under. But if your hair is properly relaxed, or it's just straight hair and you're letting your hair loose, that's okay. And you can take the spritz along with you so that you can, when it gets hot and when your hair feels dry, because you'll be out in the sun, you just give your hair a little spritz. Sorry about that noise, guys. And don't mind my edges, I'm just growing them back. And you can also find that hair growth oil on our website as well, which is tdhb.club. So there you go, guys. This is how my hair looks after using the spritz. Notice the shine on it. Oh guys, look at this. I had to take a picture so you can see. That's what I'm talking about, my curls. This is how it looks. This is the 2 days after. I was braiding my hair, and I said I had to show you guys how the spritz work, because I use it to detangle and to lock in that moisture so that I'm not braiding dry hair. But look at how that spritz just, look at the moisture on those curls. Look at that. I do hope you guys enjoy me showing you how I make your products. And if you would like to purchase, just go to tdhb.club. Thank you guys for watching. Later.